Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Marine Bluetooth receiver is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any boater looking to enhance their onboard entertainment system, allowing seamless wireless audio streaming from smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices directly to your boat speakers, transforming your time on the water into a personalized concert experience, and ensuring you never have to miss a beat whether you're cruising, fishing, or simply relaxing by the dock. Number 5. Pyle PLMRB29W Single-DIN Digital Marine Stereo Receiver. Introducing the Pyle PLMRB29W, the perfect audio companion for your boat or watercraft. This single-DIN receiver is designed for the marine environment, offering a seamless audio experience on the water. Stay connected with built-in Bluetooth. You can stream music from your favorite devices and take calls hands-free with the integrated microphone. Enjoy a wireless range of up to 40 feet. Never miss an important call while enjoying your time on the water. It allows you to conveniently answer or reject incoming calls directly from the unit. This receiver features a standard single-DIN universal size for easy installation. It delivers a powerful 300 watts of maximum output, ensuring clear and robust sound. Navigate your music and settings with ease thanks to the illuminated front panel button controls. The clear LCD display panel provides all the information you need at a glance. Your purchase includes the stereo receiver, a remote control, and a power and wiring harness for a complete setup. What we like. This unit offers a generous 40-foot wireless range for your Bluetooth devices. It also features convenient hands-free calling with a built-in microphone. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable marine stereo with good range and calling capabilities, this is a solid choice for your boat. What people say. This marine stereo has a sleek design and is easy to install. The sound quality is excellent, and it connects seamlessly via Bluetooth. It's waterproof and built to withstand harsh marine environments. Number 4. Pyle PLMRKT46BK Marine Headunit Speaker Kit. Introducing the Pyle Marine Headunit Receiver and Speaker Kit. This all-in-one system brings incredible sound and connectivity to your boat. Enjoy your favorite AM/FM stations or connect your external devices via USB, SD card, or the 3.5mm AUX input. Stream music wirelessly with built-in Bluetooth. The bright LCD screen shows song and artist information. Easily control your music and settings with the illuminated front panel buttons. Stay connected safely with the integrated microphone for hands-free calling. It's compatible with all your Bluetooth devices, including iPhones and Androids. This kit includes two 5.25-inch waterproof speakers built to withstand the marine environment. Experience powerful, clear audio wherever you go. With 300 watts of peak power and a universal single-DIN size, installation is a breeze. It supports USB SD memory up to 32 GB and comes with all necessary wiring. What we like. This kit comes complete with two 5.25-inch waterproof speakers, making it an all-in-one audio solution. It also includes SD card and USB readers for your music library, plus AM/FM radio. If you need a comprehensive marine audio package that includes speakers and multiple playback options, this is the kit for you. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly good for its size. Easy to pair with my phone and the Bluetooth connection is stable. The compact design fits perfectly on my boat's dashboard. Number 3. Pyle PLRMR23 By the Way Bluetooth Marine Receiver Stereo. Introducing the Pyle PLRMR23 By the Way, a 12V marine radio receiver designed for your boat. Enjoy powerful 300-watt output and customizable EQ settings for superior sound quality. Stream your favorite music and internet radio services directly from your smartphone or tablet. It easily connects to your A2DP Bluetooth-enabled devices for a wireless audio experience. Stay connected safely with built-in hands-free calling. Answer calls with a dedicated button, view caller ID on the digital display, and redial the last number with ease. Control your audio with the user-friendly digital LCD screen and crisp button controls. Access AUX in, USB SD slots, and AM/FM radio conveniently located on the front panel. This white marine radio features a universal single-DIN design, making it easy to replace existing radios. It comes complete with all necessary wiring, a chassis frame, and a remote control for full functionality. Experience enhanced audio with compatibility for X-Bass, Siri dialing, and dedicated apps for both Android and iOS. You can fine-tune your sound with bass, treble, balance, and fader controls. What we like. This receiver boasts compatibility with app control, Siri dialing, and Android iOS apps for enhanced functionality. It also offers hands-free calling and a digital LCD display. If you're a tech-savvy user who wants to integrate your smartphone more deeply with your boat's audio system, this unit is worth considering. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly good for its size, with clear highs and decent bass. Installation was straightforward, and it paired easily with my phone via Bluetooth. The unit is compact and has a sleek, modern design that looks great on the dashboard. Number 2. DS18 BTC-Five Bluetooth 5.3 Audio Receiver. Experience seamless music streaming with advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Enjoy an extended wireless range of over 130 feet for stable, low-latency audio from all your devices. This receiver delivers clean, distortion-free sound directly to your amplifiers or audio systems. Its high signal-to-noise ratio ensures premium audio quality. Designed for marine, off-road, and powersports, its rugged housing protects against water, dust, and harsh outdoor conditions. It's built to last wherever you go. It automatically reconnects to your device after power cycles, making it incredibly convenient. Installation is quick and easy with the included cables and wiring. Perfectly upgrade any non-Bluetooth stereo in your car, boat, or powersports vehicle. Its compact design ensures flexible installation even in tight spaces. What we like. This device features the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology with an impressive 130-foot wireless range. It's also IP66 water resistant, making it incredibly durable for any environment. If you need a robust, long-range Bluetooth adapter to upgrade an existing non-Bluetooth system in your car, boat, or powersports vehicle, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Bluetooth connectivity is strong and reliable, allowing for seamless music streaming from my phone. The display is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight, which is great for outdoor use. Installation was straightforward, and the unit feels very sturdy and well-built. Number 1. Boss Audio MGR 450B Marine Gauge Stereo. Enjoy wireless music streaming from your smartphone or MP3 player. Control your favorite apps like Spotify and Pandora with ease. This unit is designed to withstand harsh conditions with UV coating and conformal coating for the PC board. It boasts an IPX6 rating, protecting it from splashing water. Play music via Bluetooth or the USB port, or tune into AM/FM radio. You can also access NOAA weather bands for up-to-date information. Connect your external devices through the USB or auxiliary input for a vast library of audio files. It's compatible with smartphones and MP3 players. Utilize the front, rear, or subwoofer preamp outputs to easily connect your speakers or subwoofer for enhanced sound. This product comes with a 3-year platinum online dealer warranty when purchased through Amazon.com. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. What we like. This unit includes a NOAA weather band tuner, keeping you informed of weather conditions. It's also weatherproof and offers preamp outputs to connect to an external amplifier. If you prioritize safety with weather alerts and want the flexibility to expand your audio system with an amplifier, this marine stereo is a great choice. What people say. The Bluetooth connectivity is strong and reliable, allowing for seamless music streaming from my phone. The unit is compact and easy to install, fitting perfectly into my boat's dashboard without any issues. I appreciate the clear and bright display, which is easily readable even in direct sunlight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.